In this video, you will see a quick QR code setup and then a change in the I/O link data output structure that allows you to read only the code on each scan back to the PLC. Go to the Application tab. Select the plus button and select One Code Setup. This is a quick overview of the wizard steps. Click Start. Change the trigger to Process Interface. Select the Next button. The camera will now autofocus, and then attempt to find a code in the image. This may take a minute. You will see that a QR code was found. We do not see the code read value though, so let's use the Start Code Search one more time with a smaller region of interest. This time we can now see that it is highlighted. It's found and we see the string translation of the 2D code. Now let's hit Next. Select Ethernet from the drop-down. Select the Next button. Select the Next button again. Here at the last step, you can see the code again. You want to select the user-defined mode icon in the bottom right. This will drop the wizard support and allow you to change the I/O link output structure. In the left column, select Logic. Under Model Results, drag and drop the QR code block. Select Insert Logic block. For ease of use, we're going to come to the top here and search for Pass. Then bring in the state definition to the right of the other block. Back in Search by Name, type in String Output. Drag and drop the block under the last one. Next to Code Content here, click and hold down on the square. Drag and drop the line to the square on the String Output block. Do the same thing for Code Found to the Pass block. In the left column, select Interfaces. Select I/O Link. Right-click on Models and select Delete. Right-click on Reading Result and select Delete. Click on the remaining plus, select Logic Layer, and select String/Binary Output 0. If you go down to Hex View and select Output String, you will now see the URL in ASCII. Click on Save. Click on Back. The O2I4 is now set up to be controlled via a PLC through an I/O link master. In order to test the application trigger, the Application tab cannot be open. Make sure that you are in the Monitor mode when testing the I/O link trigger functionality via the PLC. You'll see here that when triggered via I/O link, you get a correct read of the code. You can also see the content available here in the I/O link input array back in the PLC. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.